This is the napkin folding work, and this is a very simple work that you can make at home for your child to do. You can use cloth napkins that you already have, or I just took some material and went around the edges and hemmed it into little squares, and then made these little different colored lines through them to show the child where to fold. So I'm going to show you a couple different kinds of napkin folding that you can do. And then sometimes I say, what shape is this? And they'll say, oh, it's a rectangle. And you can do lots of other different kinds of folds, but these are just some examples that you could use. So I hope you enjoy.